That knee bar works pretty good. It's going to be your friend. Uh-oh. There you go. Good job. Good eye. I thought about doing that myself. I think you found the easier route. See that, boys? More than one way to skin a goat, for sure. Cheater.
Watch you guys hump that thing.
The water boy's a cheetah. Oh shit.
Doesn't look like there's any footholds on it.
There's enough friction on that ledge. He just smoked right up it, didn't he?
Yep.
That was what makes it a 5.6. I think the other way is a 5.7 or 5.8.
Alright, make sure you got me on take here.
All right, you are locked in, man. I got a little tension on you. If you can manage to go up about 5 foot, you're going to get into finger lock territory. Did I ever tell you friction's overrated?
Ain't nowhere to go.
Except for up.
There is a small bite by your left foot.
Oh, look, he's got a claw on it. Oh, Zammer.
Making it look easy.
You're outrunning me, Zach. You did it.